Squid Game. Oh my god. But in Roblox. Oh my god, oh my god. Here. Where am I? Where am I? Can't roll. Oh, I need to activate my boost. I need to get my XP. Huh? What? Not yet. Someone's texting me. Okay, guys. So we're gonna do red light green. Welcome to 3-4. Make it what? Oh, I'm 2-3-4. Never gave me time for me, my dear. It's okay. I'm trying to work. Yeah. So yeah. Whoa. Oh my god, guys. Red light, green light. I played this before. So, yeah. I'm gonna try it and sabotage people. Okay, this guy's helping me. Bruh. Oh, this guy's trying to kill me. Yep. We stick together. Stick together. God. Oh, God. So close. Not a driving. Yeah. Your body. What the heck? Oh, Thanos. Thanos. It's Thanos. Oh my god, I was lagging. Guys, I died. Oops. So, okay guys, we got this. All we gotta do is lock in. That's all. Guys, if we lock in, we can all survive.
Yeah, bro. I just got my.
What the heck, bro? Ah, man, I'm trying to get another power roll. Power roll.
I'm playing Oof games. Welcome, player.
Okay, we got this, guys. Oh god.
Rule player 999.
Go boy. We gotta stick together. We're not gonna die, alright? Guys, if we just stick together and lock in, we can just win. Just don't move whenever it's red light. Do not move when it's red light and move when it's green light.
No instructing me. I'm just gonna.
I'm gonna try to do this glitch. Okay, okay, oh my god. Oh god.
I'm going to persevere.
Ah, yes. you. Let me carry you.
so bad. Somebody carry me?
Wait. I can't. Okay, I carry you now. No, let me carry you. Go boy, let me carry you.
No, no.
Let me carry you, go boy.
Oh,
Oh my god, we're so close. Oh my god. Wait, do not move. Do not move, go boy. Do not move. Oh my god, we're so cooked. Just keep going. Stop.
come on, let's go.
Go.
I can buy that super easy.
We both got this.
Yeah, we got this, go boy.
Well, I want to friend you real fast.
Oh, okay.
No, never mind. I'll friend you after the game.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh god, we're probably gonna get hit by someone.
That wasn't even half a millisecond.
Oh my god. Bro, my thing is really laggy right now.
I got you.
This turkey man was trying to sabotage us.
Brother to shut up. He won't shut up.
Oh god.
Oh no, I thought he said green line.
No! Go boy! Go boy! Don't leave me, go boy! Go boy! Go boy, don't leave me! Go boy, don't leave me, go boy! Where's you, go boy? Go boy, I thought you were gonna betray me. Where are you, go boy? Go boy, where are you? Go boy!
I'm sorry.
I thought I was gonna die.
What's your name?
My name is VA3 Great. Let me see.
It'll take me a second to find you. I don't see you. Oh, there you are.
Alright,
Yay.
nice. We're going. Try not to die on Dalgona. And whenever the lights
I'm really good
out,
at Dalgona.
lights out, just stick together and lights out.
If I get the Mona Lisa, I'm about to order.
If someone tries attacking us in lights out, we cook them. All right?
You know what I do? I'm just gonna hide.
Oh, okay.
Scaredy cat. Well, I don't want to die. I'm telling my annoying brother. Shut up.
Go boy, don't get next to the door, or else they're gonna push you and kill you.
I know. No, I'm gonna push some. I'm gonna push them.
Okay, let me push one too. Oh my god, I missed so badly. Oh god, they're getting cooked. Someone died. Where's Go Boy? Oh my god, these people, bro. Where's Go Boy? Where's Go Boy? Oh, I didn't go far. Okay. Oh, alright. Go Boy, where are you? Go Boy. Where are you? Go Boy. Go Boy, where are you? That I can't ignore. Yeah. Where's Go Boy? Where's Go Boy, man? Go Boy, where are you? Okay. Try to back in. What Oh god.
Bro, I'm about to aura farm at South Atlanta.
Hopefully I don't
I'm gonna
get
aura
the
farm.
scary
No
triangle
cracks.
or anything really bad.
I'm gonna aura farm if I get the Mona Lisa. Oh, that sounds like the Mona Lisa. Dang it, I got triangle. That's the closest.
Ivan, look at my.
I got the Lisa
Oh,
cookie.
somebody
I'm
got the Sack
cooked.
Boy. No, bro. You got the you got the Mona Lisa. Oh, my friend got the Mona.
I did it. Go boy, I did it. Go boy. Go boy, I did it. Go boy. I survived. Go boy. I survived.
Yeah. Right.
Go boy.
Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff that's wet and
I did it. I did it. Go boy. I locked in. I locked in. Go boy.
He locked it. I need to see this.
I did it. I did it. Go boy. I did it.
You did it. I actually did it. That's my brother asking. My brother just asked, how'd you do it? What the heck?
Go boy. We're gonna hide. Okay? We're gonna try hiding. Attack if they are trying to attack us. Actually, just run away. Go boy, where are you? No, don't get pushed into the squids. Oh god. Bro, I need my food, bro. Oh my god, these people are pushing. Go boy, where are you? Go boy. Go boy, let me drop a band-aid for you. Get it, get it. Don't use them because you're gonna might need them to heal. Okay, go boy, let's go. Go boy. Where are we going? Oh, there's people in here. Go boy, go boy. I think there's there's a lot of people. We should go. Go boy, we should run. Run, follow me. Go boy. Okay, actually let me follow you. Stay up there, yeah, stay up here.
We come in peace. We come in peace.
We come in peace too. We come peace. We peace. So guys, I think my audio broke after I was typing, so I will reenact what I've been saying. So go boy, we got this, okay? We got this. Go boy, come on. I don't think I say anything here, but still. What else? Yeah, we jumped them. If they try attacking us, we jump them, go boy. What the heck? No, go boy, run. Go boy, run. Go boy. Just run, okay? Go boy, we're cooked. Come on, go boy, I'll protect you. Oh no, go boy, I'm getting cooked. I'm gonna die. Don't, just run, go boy. Don't help me. I'll say goodbye. Come on, go boy. We got this, we just gotta lock in. Go boy, no, I got you. I'm gonna attack them. You go boy. No, this can't be. No, I'm gonna die. No, I'm gonna die. No, go boy, I died. Go boy, no, I died. Okay, guys, so basically, I died. I had to cut a lot of stuff because I did 3 games, I still lost all of them. So hopefully in the next video, I can make it, I guess. Good. Bye-bye.